folks? This is Bad 300, and this is a little segment I'm going to start doing called Retro Gaming. This is thanks to GOG.com or GOG.com. They take a lot of the games when I was young that won't run on these modern computers and make them run. And this is one of my favorite games, favorite racing games that is, called Carmageddon. And here we go. We'll go with him and we'll enter a name. Oh, let's go. Jelly. Okay, that's what you would be like after you got done in this game. Let's go on the normal everyday challenge. And here is the intro. This is one of those, as you can see, the graphics aren't uber duper, but it was always fun to play. I mean, come on, what's better than driving people over and getting points for it? Let's start race. Come on. Ah, good old loading screens. Okay, there we are. Here we go. Ah, I missed a flagger. Ooh. Come on, back up, back up. Ooh. Come on. Get your piece of junk out of my way. Thank you. Haha, missed. Head on. Bam. I love how my razor appeared out of... Oh, that's right, because it's 1 pixel thin. You can't see it half the time. Ooh, all kinds of people. Slide. Let's get... Ooh, fat man in a business suit. Get back here. Ah. Maybe we can get this other fat man in a business suit. There we go. Okay, so the goal isn't so much to be in first place. It's, well, to drive over as many people as you can and get the most points that you can. So it's not always about how you drive, but who you drive over. And apparently I cannot drive. Come on, let's go. Ooh, football stadium. Favorite part, favorite part. Goodbye, football team. Okay, you've seen the little barrels. Each barrel does different things. Some good effects, some are bad. Splat, sideways. Haha, style bonus. Wham. Combo. Yeah, these cars have very crappy steering on them. Okay, you see the red barrel over here? Let's go ahead and take him. Ooh, now they explode when you hit them. The green is money. Ooh, yes. Oh, crap. Bouncy. Splat. Okay, see, like I said, there's good and there's bad. Solid granite car is great for hitting your competitors head on, but oh my lord, could you imagine trying to drive like this? Come on. Oh, there we go. Thank goodness. Let's see what this last red barrel is. Ooh, instant handbrake. Yeah, that's funny because, okay, let me get up a little bit of speed and then watch the guy in the corner. You gotta love that. And we're gonna have to, ooh. Wham. Let's take him out. Come on, go, 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 go. Come on, get around the curve. Get around the curve. There you go. Don't you run for me, boy. I mean, why would you be standing out on the streets anyways, knowing that these people will run you over? Oh, yeah. Now that was a splat. There was one expansion for this game, which when I bought it, I got the expansion with it. I just didn't feel like playing it because it adds whole new tracks, and I wanted the original game for that extra lovey feeling. Okay, come here, coppers. Come here. I mean, come on. What could not be fun about this game? Now you gotta admit, that was some style. Ooh, he's almost dead. Let's see if we can't finish him off. And we need to do a little repair ourselves. So that's what the R key is for. Oops, nope. Uh-oh. I forgot. R's recover? Well, what the heck was the repair key? Oh, hang on. Gotta go into the menu real quick. Options. Control. Recover. Backspace is repair. Ah. There we go. Okay. I don't know why we can still hear the game music. I turned it off. Okay, where are we going? Did I hit the right checkpoint? Yeah, there's basically two different ways to win them. Okay, let's go. Gosh dang it, that keeps costing me money. When I do that. Okay. Still got a fair bit of profit. Because you get, well, profit for all the people you hit. Let's get back through our checkpoint. And of course you get money for crossing checkpoints. Come on, let's splat it at that. But either you win the race or you take all your competitors out, which makes it really fun. And I do not, I'm gonna have to fidget with the settings because I turned the music off. And yet we can still hear the music and we can barely hear the commentary. So I don't know if that's a glitch with the programming or what. But let's see if we can at least beat this first race. Ow. Nothing like not being able to drive. And nothing like hitting a pole sideways. Okay, let's proceed to go up here and backspace, and I need to switch that around so I can remember that. Yep, we do have a checkpoint, and there is one of my competitors stuck on a guardrail. I mean, would you freaking hit him for once? Stay out of the water, out of the water, out of the water, because there's always landmines in the water. Can I drive any worse? Wham! Now, let's go down here. Brake. And back her up. See if we can't hit somebody. Okay, where are you guys going? Come on. Come on. Come on. Wham! Alright, there we go. Hey, I seem to have got rid of all the sound. Oh, that'll work. Ooh. There we go. Maybe I finally got rid of the... Nope. There starts some music. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Fitting music. Ooh. Wonder how much of a pitch fit YouTube will have for this. If they don't like it, they can flip off. But yeah, these are somewhat open worlds. I mean, you can drive pretty much, you know, there is a set race course. But it's fairly open world, especially when you get in the upper levels. A lot of times it's just easier to blow up all the other cars. See, we got 2 out of 5 wasted. Come here, armored beetle. Beep, 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 beep. Come on, come here, come here, come here, come on. Where are you going, little bug? I missed. Yeah, you get bonuses for doing stunts and the likes. Come here, come here, come here. There you are. What is your fetish? Ooh, come on. Come on, right me, right me. Come on, hit me, right me. Right me, somebody right me. Come on, just so I don't have to push the reset button. Hit me, hit me, hit me. Okay, apparently I'm pretty stable on my side. There we go. See, that works even better. Yes. Another one down. We're just gonna waste you right in here. And try not to use any more cash to do it. Oh. Okay, I'm not even... Why are you staying with turned wheels? Okay. 4 out of 5 wasted, and that's the end. We're gonna have to put up with that for a second. There we go. 4 out of 5 wasted. Let's get this race finished up. Because, yeah, there's no way we're going to run that clock down. And I'm not sure where the last guy is. That's race completed. Good tab supposed to. There's 3, 4, and I would be 5. Yep. So there's two ways to beat it. Either complete the race before the clock runs out, or take out all your opponents before the clock runs out. And victory goes to us. Alright. Then you get a look at all the other vehicles, which I really don't care to. And then we can go into the part shop, but we'll say that for another time. Alright folks, catch you on the flip side.